Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is one of the capacitor meter to test out the component. So I have the voltmeter or the ohm meter here, or the current to measure current. And previously I purchased this one. Which is a pretty good meter. So this one you could also check the NPN or PNP transistor over here. And this one is power with the backlight. So unfortunately, when I try to measure the capacitance, it's from 2000 picofarad, 20 nanofarad, and then 2 microfarad up to 200 microfarad. So I need something with a bigger range, and this is the ohm meter. And also this one has a L for the inductor. It's a 20H all the way 20 million H all the way to 20H. So it's pretty good, but unfortunately, it cannot measure anything that's higher, or lower. So yeah, for example, I have a bigger capacitor right here. This one is the 1000 microfarad. And when I use this one, it just shows out of range. So I got this one right here. This one original price was like $17.86 or something. So I offer, I think like $15. The seller counter offer back like $15.70 something plus tax. So I pay about 17 something out of the door with tax and everything, and free shipping though. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company, so. And this is made in China. This one is the 6013 model number. And you can measure all this capacitance right here, the range. So there's this kickstand. And unfortunately, this one doesn't come with the battery, so you need to put it yourself. Let's see what kind of battery. And then come with two of this fuse, glass fuse. And this only come with the alligator clip, which is not good. Gotta be careful, don't lose a screw. That's a Phillips. So it takes a AA battery. Let me go get the rechargeable kind. So I like to use a rechargeable battery. Okay, keep on using it without any leakage. Oh, so this is not push to turn it on. You just turn the dialer over here. 600 picofarad all the way to 6,000 microfarad, and then MF. So we're gonna put on 6,000 microfarad, and this one has a light. Whoops, that's hold. Probably press it up and hold to turn on the light. So in case you need to calibrate, you're going to press here to zero it out. Let me just use the cable from here. So as you turn, it shows MF or microfarad, or just NF, and then PF. So you're going to make sure which one is positive or negative. The capacitor has this negative in the white line, either white or black. So this one shows 220 microfarad, 10 volt. So it'll be this one right here, negative. Let's see what's going on here. So yeah, normally you want to fully discharge the capacitor, but this board has been there for a long time. So let's see. Select the range. So yeah, I'm not sure this unit is working or not. So I changed the cable, still not working. Because somehow with this, it doesn't show which one. With this one, it shows L and C negative right here when you try to measure the inductor and then capacitor. And then plus it's on this side. But somehow this one is not showing. Let me just use a 200 microfarad. Negative. Positive. See, it shows out of range because it's too high. See, it's not even showing you anything. And I tried a different capacitor. See this one? Negative. Yeah, definitely maybe something wrong with the meter. So I tried to change it around and everything is still not working. Yeah, I don't get any reading at all. See, I'm getting something out of range. Alright, so after messing around with this for a while, it's same as this one. Negative, positive. You could either insert in here negative is on the bottom, okay, bottom row. So once you insert it, it takes a couple seconds to read it. See, it shows 77.3. This one's supposed to be 68. 68 microfarad. So plus or minus 10%, that's within the range. So if I take it out, and then I'm going to use the cable. Negative is right here. And then positive. It's going to take a couple seconds. So it reads the same value. Oops, I touched it. I touched the pin together by accident, so. Right, back to normal. So yeah, it is working. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.